Hi guys. After India and China are agreed for the troop disengagement at Galwan Valley, China again quickly rebuilt an infrastructure which includes hardened shelters for the troops and defensive position at the important Y junction, where Galwan River takes a sharp bend towards its meeting point with Shayok River. Means that last 1 kilometer trek to patrolling point 14, an area patrolled by the Indian troops for decades, may no longer be viable. As many believed, the Chinese are actually getting triggered after India's successful completion of Bailey Bridge, which is located 3 kilometers east of the Shayok River, where the bridge is only 2 kilometers from the patrolling point 14 area. An Indian Army base camp called 120-kilometer camp is on the meeting area of the two rivers and next to the DSDBO road, which will ease the Indian Army to move their armed vehicles across the river. Some experts also believe that China is making this illegal occupation is not just for the bridge. Actually, they are trying to secure a key route of communication and trade for the flagship project of Chinese President Xi Jinping's Belt and Road Initiative, which India is not really interested because the road was passing along Pakistan occupied Kashmir in the name of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. China really want to preserve this route from Xinjiang area, crossing the Karakoram Pass to the Siachen Glacier and into the Pakistan, ending at Gwadar Port in Balochistan. If this is the case, then China will come back and make a push against India. This is why China has suddenly changed their tune and claiming the entire Galwan area as their own. But in reality, China controls the part of Galwan area and the rest are with the Indian side. Even though some reduced number of Chinese troops has been observed in the area, the People Liberation Army remains firmly deployed at the Wainala. The optimism of ongoing disengagement has to be viewed with the due caution, which reflects that the Chinese side cannot be trusted to deliver on promises made during these talks. While the locals in Ladakh area also confirmed the build-up at Galwan area near to the Pangongso Lake and have reported that roads are being constructed and Chinese camps are clearly visible after dark when the lights are turned on their side. So, in the end, the disengagement of Chinese troops is just an eyewash, which the Indian side is viewed with due caution. Do not be surprised if China claims the entire Ladakh as their own in near future.